I used to live paycheck to paycheck, no savings, just bills, stress, and fear. Investing? That felt impossible. One night, I searched for answers. Then I discovered something simple, yet powerful. Warren Buffett's investing tips for beginners. Easy to follow tips, real wisdom from the world's greatest investor. I didn't need a finance degree. I just needed the right guidance. Invest in what you understand. Think long-term, not quick wins. Save before you spend. Avoid high-interest debt. Index funds are your best friend. I started small, but stayed consistent. Over time, my money started working for me. No more stress, no more guessing. 1 year later, I'm not just surviving, I'm building a future. All thanks to the lessons I learned. Warren Buffett's investing tips for beginners. Simple, powerful, beginner-friendly, proven by the world's most trusted investor. You don't need luck. You don't need $1 million. You just need the right start. This changed my life. It can change yours too. Click the bio link to buy this product now. Start your investing journey today.